The Chevron Lace Stitch is a beautiful stitch to knit. This is actually one of my favourites because the pattern is done on the right side of your knitting, and on the back it's simply the purl stitch. So this is when you can actually relax, and then when you get to your plain side, the good side of your knitting, that's when we actually do the pattern. When you're casting on your stitches, make sure that you do multiples of 10 and have one extra stitch at the end. So for this piece, I have 21 stitches. Purl all the way to the end of the row. Row number 2 starts our pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over and towards you. Now in the knit position, we slip one stitch off and slip 2 stitches off with our wool still in the middle. Then moving to the front of your piece, grab both stitches and now we knit. This will create a new stitch for us, and we come up and we've just knitted them both together. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Row 3 is a purl row. Purl to the end. Row 4 is our pattern, and we start with knitting 3. 1, 2, 3. Knit 2 together, so we knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and towards you, knit 1 stitch, yarn over towards you, slip 1, slip 2, and then we knit those 2 stitches together. Knit 2, 1, 2. Row 5 is a purl row. Purl all the way to the end. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over and towards you, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 stitches, yarn over, slip 1 stitch, slip 2 stitches, and we knit the 2 slipped stitches. Knit 1, and with our final stitch we knit 1. Row 7, purl, to the end of the row. Row 8, knit 1, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over towards you, knit 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over towards you, slip 1 stitch, slip 2 stitches, and then we want to knit the 2 slip stitches. Row 9, purl, and our final row, row 10, knit 2 together, yarn over and towards you, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yarn over towards you. Now we slip 1, we knit 2 together. This makes the top of the pattern. Then we pass the slip stitch over like that, yarn over towards you, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yarn over towards you, and with the last 2 stitches we slip, slip, and then we knit together.